How to fix unwind or invalid stack in Windows 11. Hello friends, follow these steps. Uninstall third-party program or antivirus if installed at first. For this, click on Start, click on Settings, go to Apps, click on Installed Apps, find third-party program. For example, Adobe Acrobat is a third-party program. Click on three dots icon, select Uninstall, click on Uninstall to confirm. Close the settings and close all the running tasks and restart your computer. Then check if the blue screen is fixed. In the same way, uninstall all third-party programs one by one. Install latest Windows update. Click on the Windows icon. Select Settings. Go to Windows Update and click on Check for updates. If any update is found, let it download and restart your device to install it. Update all the drivers through Device Manager. Right click on the Windows icon. Select Device Manager. Expand the devices one by one by clicking the arrow besides them. Check if any driver is showing a yellow color warning mark. Expand the devices and check in all devices. If any device shows warning mark, then update it. For example, if this device is showing warning mark, right click on this device, select update driver and click on search automatically for drivers. Close. Repeat the same for the devices showing warning mark. Close Device Manager and restart your computer. Check if optional updates are pending and install them. Click on Start. Go to Settings. Click on Windows Update. Click on Advanced Options. Here is Optional Updates. Click on it. There is no optional updates available at this time. If you find optional updates in a list, click on Download and restart your device to install them. Perform a clean boot. Clean boot will disable all the third-party programs and unnecessary services. So click on Search, type System Configuration, click on System Configuration, click on the Services tab, check the box for Hide all Microsoft services. Click on Disable all. Now go to the Startup tab. Click on Open Task Manager link. See if any program is enabled in the list. If it is showing enabled, right click and select Disable. You will see Disable here. After disabling all the programs, close the Task Manager. Click on Apply and on OK. You will see a warning pop up. Click on Restart on that. After restarting, check if the blue screen is fixed. Boot the PC into safe mode. Click on Search. Go to System Configuration. Click on the Boot tab. Check Safe Boot. Minimal will be automatically selected. Leave it as it is. Click on Apply and click on OK. On a pop-up, click on Restart. After going to safe mode, see which program is not installed. This means the program is creating the issue. Come back to normal mode and uninstall it. To come back to normal mode, click on Search, select System Configuration or type System Configuration in the search and click on System Configuration. Click on Boot. If the Safe Boot option is checked, uncheck it. If it is not checked, leave it as it is. Then click on Apply and click on OK and restart your computer. In the normal mode, uninstall the program creating the issue and the BSOD should be fixed. Use System Restore. Click on Search, type System Restore. Click on Create a Restore Point. Click on System Restore. Recommended restore is checked. Click on Choose a different restore point. Click on Next. Here you will see different restore points. I have recently installed Windows 11, so here is only one restore point. Choose the restore point before the time you have made any changes in Windows, such as you have installed any third-party app or made changes in files or folders or settings. Select the restore point and click on Next. Click on Finish. Once started, system restore cannot be interrupted. Do you want to continue? Yes. Click on Yes. This will take some time, such as 1 hour, half an hour, 20 minutes or so, depending on the amount of your files and folders. Wait patiently and then the error should be fixed. If the issue still persists, clean install Windows 11. Launch a browser. Type Windows 11 download. Press enter. Click on download Windows 11 link. Go down. Click on download now for create Windows 11 installation media. Once downloaded, click on this file. Getting a few things ready. Click on accept on this window. Language English United States Edition Windows 11. Click on next. Select ISO file and click on next. Once the ISO file is downloaded, right click on this and select mount. Right click on setup.exe and select open. Click on next on install Windows 11 window. And follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.